Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how to create a new invite link on Discord, step by step. Whether you're running your own server or just want to invite friends to join your community, this guide will make it super easy. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more short and simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Discord and head over to the server you want to invite people to. You can find all your servers listed on the left-hand side of your screen. Once you've found the right one, simply right-click on the server icon, and from the menu that appears, select Invite People. This will open a window where you can directly invite friends from your list. Just click their names or search for them in the search box. But if you want to invite someone who isn't already your friend on Discord, you'll need to use an invite link. You'll see a box with a link and a copy button right beside it. Just click copy, and that's your invite link ready to send. By default, Discord invite links expire after 7 days, which means anyone clicking it after that won't be able to join. But don't worry, you can change that easily. Right under the invite link, click on Edit Invite Link. Here, you'll see options to customize the invite. You can set when the link will expire, from 30 minutes all the way to never, which means it'll stay active permanently. You can also set a maximum number of uses, so the link automatically stops working after it's been used a certain number of times. Once you've adjusted those settings, click Generate a new link, and you're all set. Copy it again, share it with your friends or community, and they'll be able to join your server instantly. Another way to do this, if you're an admin or server owner, is to right-click your server icon again. Go to Server Settings, then choose Invites. From there, you can view all existing invite links or create a new one using the Create Invite button at the top. It's the same process just from the server management panel. And that's it. You've successfully created a brand new Discord invite link. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick and easy Discord tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.